Thanks for joining us today. I'm Sam Boyk, and this is Mile High Living. We're starting today's show talking about asbestos exposure and an aggressive cancer called mesothelioma in our Legal Corner segment. SOKOLOVE law has helped thousands of affected families after an unexpected diagnosis to get the compensation they need for treatment. Ricky A. LeBlanc is the managing attorney and joins me now. Welcome to the show. Great to have you.
Thank you for having me. This is very important to me and what we do at SOKOLOVE Law, so it's a pleasure to be here today. I'd really like to start off first.
Sure.
I'm a lawyer, so I have to put the little legalese in first. I'm happy to be here. I love educating people about both the dangers of asbestos and the fact it's still around. At the same time, I have to say I'm not here to give legal advice to anybody. If you want legal advice, feel free, give us a call. Happy to talk to you. I'm a lawyer admitted in the Commonwealth of Massachusetts, and I have partners admitted in Colorado and many other states. But today we're talking about information, and we'll keep it informational. So I know you started off saying we're going to talk about asbestos and the disease mesothelioma. Start right with asbestos.
Okay.
You know, you and I were chatting even earlier. Most people don't understand that asbestos is a naturally occurring mineral. It's just a rock. And it's a rock that's in the ground, but it has some unique properties. And that is like, say, cotton, right? You crush it and you pull it apart and it becomes very fibrous. And like cotton, you can start weaving things out of it, cloth, or you can use it to put into concrete to make it stronger because it's very durable, great tensile strength they call it. But it's also, which most of the times it's used for, heat and fire resistant. So because of that, it was widely used and originally called the miracle mineral. What they didn't tell us is it's a miracle mineral that can kill.
Okay, and so talk to us more about mesothelioma. What is this and how does it affect people?
Sure. I'll try not to get too scientific for you. I have a doctorate of law, not medicine, but I'll explain how it works the best I can. Mesothelioma is a cancer of the mesothelium. What is that? A physician once told me, it's always stuck with me, probably over 35 years ago I've been doing this. And he said, think of it as like plastic wrap in your kitchen and you use it to close containers. But then take it and think of it as like grease or film on it. And that is what a mesothelium is. It's like that. It's wrapped around your organs. It's not your organ. It's not your heart. It's not your lungs. It's not your stomach, but it's wrapped around it sort of to protect it from each other. So when they rub against each other, it's not a problem. And so you have mesothelioma, it's because asbestos has infiltrated your body. Your body's trying to get rid of it, and it gets trapped in this greasy plastic wrap, and it gets stuck there. And once it's there, it could sit there for 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 or more years, and it may develop into mesothelioma or cancer of that mesothelium.
Okay, and so what are the legal options that are available for someone or their family members if they've been impacted by this?
Yeah, I always start when someone asks me a question about the process and what happens. The process starts with you, the family member, you, the injured, that you have time limits. And so if you don't do something right away, you could forever lose your rights to bring a claim. Now, they're called statutes of limitations, right?
Okay.
We can just call them time limits for you folks, right? And so what happens is that every state, so we're talking about 50 states plus DC plus the territories, and SOKOLOVE Law over 45 years has represented people from every state, every territory. And so each one of those has a law that says from a certain point in time, you must file your claim. Now, it's obviously not from 50 years ago when you were exposed. It's generally speaking from the date you were diagnosed. So if you believe you have a disease or think you have a disease, contact a law firm immediately. You give us a call. It's free to do that. Shouldn't call anybody that it's not. It's free to do that, and we'll evaluate and let you know if you're within that time frame. Most people are, unless you've waited years.
Okay, wonderful. We are just almost out of time. How can SOKOLOVE Law help make the process easier for folks?
Sure. We do everything from have nurses on staff so that you will have medical information available to you whenever you need it. And we stand with you all the way. From the beginning to the end, you're never alone. We put your health and your family's health is most paramount to us, always has been and always will be.
That's so great to hear. And I know, Ricky, you'll be joining us in future episodes on Mile High Living, so we'll look forward to talking to you then. Thank you for being here today.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
And Sokolove Law has over 45 years of experience pursuing asbestos claims and helping victims and their loved ones understand their legal options. If you or a loved one was diagnosed with mesothelioma, call 800-406-3355 or visit SOKOLOVELAW.com. This was a sponsored segment. Stay with us. We'll be right back.